So what are we expecting in terms of the ones who will win the screen today?
Yeah, Melissa, we were out at a Walmart and Target in the mall this morning. Mall traffic down about 30 to 40% in our view. And what we think is online is growing 70% plus. So who's going to win the screen? We like Walmart and Target. We also like American Eagle as well as Tapestry. So there are winners and people are out there shopping. There's long lines in electronics. It's an at-home revolution that's really happening here. It's also deals for days. So the period started earlier, almost as early as October, with Amazon kicking Prime Day, and the season's gone for a long time. Inventories are low, which is good for margins, but inventory availability is pretty good, with the exceptions being video games and electronics, as people really look to Zoom and cocoon.
Yeah, I mean, the cocooning trade, you mentioned in your note also that appliances are going to be big. I can't imagine gifting a refrigerator, although I could use one and I won't turn that away. Yeah. Oliver, I wanted to ask you, though, about some of the retailers that are really, they look like they're winning on paper. Bertha was going through some of the big increases in online shopping for the likes of a Macy's as well as a Nordstrom. Walk us through and give us perspective that obviously these are retailers that are losing a lot of traffic in store, and they're getting that online buyer, except that cost is much higher to fulfill that order.
Yeah, Melissa, what is happening is a lot of these retailers are acquiring new customers online. So the key going forward is to engage this younger customer in particular. Also, the retailers that have been able to survive and raise capital are taking share from those who've gone bankrupt or contracted. Furthermore, with bankruptcies and with this period, there's a lot of rent renegotiation happening too. So all these things are happening. And don't forget, economically speaking, savings rates are higher and you can't spend on travel and you're not spending as much going out. So these are factors that are giving a non-recurring boost. The stimulus helped during the summer. The retailers are really hoping for another stimulus to be a positive factor too. And apparel is all about leisure. So what's been tough is dress and office for sure. But I want an air fryer. So, home is really working too.
Oliver, I wonder about tactically how retailers view this period when kind of the doorbuster thing, the promotional Black Friday type items for in-store were just these, traffic drivers just to get you to buy other things. And if you're doing it online, do people more just focus in on exactly what they need and don't do the kind of incidental purchases? And who does that benefit and hurt?
Yeah, for sure. It's all about conversion. So the treasure hunt is not happening as much when you're online. You're going straight for the deal. What's really happening is personalization, too. So a lot of the retailers of the future can really identify exactly how you're searching, what you want, and promote to you very uniquely. Kohl's and Ulta have done a good job with collecting data. Retail's about magic plus logic. It's about the wow factor and emotions, but logic around AI and thinking about the customer. So that's been a factor. Thinking about promotions, it's been a planned promotional season, very heavy on gifting and very heavy on access price points. That's been good for retailers, and margins have been better on the basis of better inventory control. What we really see is fantastical and functional product. Functional meaning customers looking for value, and then fantasy, customers really looking for feel-good product too. And that's another trend that's important. But that everyday low price is certainly very, very important. And the future is also data.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.